Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. If you're passionate about high-performance smartwatches, today's reveal is bound to get you excited. We are diving deep into everything you need to know about the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro. From groundbreaking features to rumored specifications, pricing expectations, and potential release details, this next-generation smartwatch is shaping up to be a game-changer. Stick with us as we explore why this device might redefine the industry. Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, the ultimate smartwatch for adventurers. Garmin has consistently raised the bar with its Fenix series, offering rugged high-end smartwatches designed for athletes, outdoor adventurers, and fitness-focused individuals. With each iteration, Garmin has delivered cutting-edge technology, superior GPS tracking, and unmatched durability. The Fenix 8 Pro is expected to build on this tradition, incorporating revolutionary advancements that enhance both outdoor performance and daily usability. Let's dive into the latest leaks and rumors surrounding this highly anticipated smartwatch. Sleek and durable design with multiple size options. One of the most discussed leaks about the Fenix 8 Pro is that Garmin will offer multiple size variants, likely 47mm and 51mm. This ensures that users with different wrist sizes can find a perfect fit, addressing concerns about previous models being too bulky or too small. Additionally, its military-grade durability is set to continue, featuring an ergonomic design aimed at improving comfort. Whether you're navigating extreme landscapes, hitting the gym, or attending business meetings, this smartwatch blends toughness with sophistication, making it the ultimate everyday companion. Micro LED display. A major visual upgrade. Garmin is rumored to have made a significant leap in display technology with the integration of a micro LED panel. This upgrade promises brighter and more vibrant colors, enhanced contrast for superior readability, increased energy efficiency, better visibility under direct sunlight. With this, users can expect a significantly improved visual experience, making maps, fitness data, and notifications clearer and more accessible than ever before. Unmatched GPS accuracy with multi-band support. Garmin has been a leader in GPS innovation, and the Fenix 8 Pro is expected to push boundaries further. Leaks suggest the device will feature advanced multi-band GPS support, enhancing tracking accuracy in dense forests, mountainous regions, and urban environments. Whether you're an athlete, hiker, cyclist, or triathlete, you'll benefit from faster satellite acquisition, ultra-precise tracking, improved route accuracy. If you depend on GPS for navigation, this upgrade could be a game-changer for your adventures. Enhanced solar charging and longer battery life. Battery life is a crucial factor for outdoor enthusiasts, and Garmin is rumored to be improving solar charging technology for the Fenix 8 Pro. This means extended battery life for those who spend long periods away from power sources. Whether you're an ultramarathoner, a backcountry explorer, or a multi-day adventurer, the improved solar-powered battery will ensure your smartwatch stays powered for longer without the need for frequent recharges. Advanced health and fitness tracking. Garmin is taking health tracking to the next level with cutting-edge fitness and wellness monitoring features. The Fenix 8 Pro is rumored to include a next-generation heart rate sensor for real-time accuracy, advanced sleep tracking for better recovery insights, VO2 max and blood oxygen monitoring for endurance sports and altitude training, heart rate variability, HRV, and stress monitoring to optimize performance. Potential ECG integration for advanced heart health tracking. These enhancements make the Fenix 8 Pro an indispensable companion for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and wellness-conscious users. Smarter connectivity and daily usability. Although the Fenix 8 Pro is designed for outdoor adventures, it's also expected to be a powerful smartwatch for daily use. Leaked features include offline music storage and Spotify integration for phone-free listening, smart notifications and contactless payments for on-the-go convenience, Garmin Connect and third-party app support for seamless data syncing. With these additions, the Fenix 8 Pro will be just as useful in daily life as it is in extreme outdoor conditions. Intelligent battery management for maximum efficiency. In addition to solar charging, the Fenix 8 Pro is rumored to introduce smart power management features, including adaptive display brightness to conserve battery life, smart battery modes for customized power-saving settings, optimized GPS usage to reduce power drain during extended tracking sessions. These upgrades could make the Fenix 8 Pro one of the longest-lasting smartwatches on the market, further solidifying Garmin's reputation for exceptional battery performance. Pricing and expected release date. While Garmin has yet to confirm official pricing, leaks suggest the Fenix 8 Pro will fall within the range of $799 to $999, depending on the model and features. As for the launch date, based on Garmin's traditional release cycles, the Fenix 8 Pro is expected to debut in late summer or early fall 2025. Keep an eye out for official announcements from Garmin in the coming months. Final thoughts. Is it worth the upgrade? If you're currently using an older Fenix model or considering a premium smartwatch with next-level navigation, fitness tracking, and smart features, the Fenix 8 Pro is shaping up to be a phenomenal upgrade. With its enhanced GPS accuracy, cutting-edge display, extended battery life, and improved health tracking capabilities, this smartwatch stands out as a powerhouse device for athletes, outdoor adventurers, and everyday users alike. That wraps up our deep dive into the upcoming Garmin Fenix 8 Pro. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth tech updates and reviews. Thanks for tuning in to Techno Trend Zone. See you in the next video.